Write 10 to the fifth power as repeated multiplication and find its value. If you take a base and raise it to an exponent like this, you write out that base that many times. So since this is 10 to the fifth power, we write this out as 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That's 10 written out 5 times. Now, the trick with writing out a base 10 to a specific exponent is whatever you have 10 to the anything, you write out a 1, and that exponent tells you how many zeros are going to follow afterwards. So since this is 10 to the fifth power, the shortcut is 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So let's go to the left 3, put a comma there, and 10 to the fifth power ends up being 100,000.